Hello, my dear beautiful people. How is going everything? I'm optimistic that you are passing very fantastic time with your family member. At the same time, you are learning English in a great way. Today in this video, I want to share with you several matters. That's why this video will be helpful for our every English learner. I have seen many English learner. They know how to make sentence, how to make English video in front of the camera, how to describe in English. They know everything. But when they come in front of their camera, that time they can't speak in English in front of their camera. Why they can't? I have seen many students, they don't practice their English regularly. They don't maintain their consistency. They don't make English video every single day. That's why they can't improve their speaking skills. They can't improve their learning English. For that, they can't describe anything in English. Now what you have to do? Now I will suggest you and I will request you, if you are beginner and if you want to learn English quickly, first of all you have to maintain your consistency. If you do not maintain your consistency, you will not be able to improve yourself. You will not be able to make English video in front of the camera. For that, you have to maintain your consistency. Side by side, you try to practice English every single day and regularly. If you practice English in a day 20 minutes, you try to practice English regularly. I mean, continue your English journey. And I have seen many students, they practice English just 2 months or 3 months. After 3 months, they give up their practice. For that, they can't improve their speaking skills. If you want to learn English and if you develop your speaking skills, every day you try to practice. At least every day you try to 20 minutes to 40 minutes you try to practice English every single day. Then you can become good speaker. You will remember there is no easy way to learn English quickly without more practice. At present, now I want to share with you. At present, I'm following British accent because my pronunciation is not good. I mean, my pronunciation is so bad. That's why at present I'm listening English speaking video on my YouTube channel. Side by side, when I get free time, I try to practice my English in front of my camera. At the same time, I try to speak in British accent. It is my favorite accent. For that, every day a little bit I try to speak in British. It is very important for me. Side by side, you know that I am English learner. That's why every day I maintain my consistency. I practice my English every single day and regularly. If I practice my English regularly, I hope that I can good speaker. At the same time, I will be fluent speaker. For that, at present, I'm practicing and I'm hard working. It is so important for me. If I want to learn English quickly, first of all, I have to practice my English. If you want to learn English, every day you try to practice. If I can English properly, if I can describe anything in English, why you can't? Why you can't? You ask yourself, why I can't make English video? You know that practice makes a man perfect. If you want to learn English from today, you can start your English journey. At the same time, in 2026, you will practice English every single day. I hope that from today you can start your English journey. If you start your English journey from today, I hope that in this 2026 you will be good speaker. So see you next video. Best luck for everyone.